All right. And then there's the responsibility of home equity. All right. So over time, as the property appreciates, disputes can arise, as we just talked about a little bit ago when we mentioned the capital gains, over who's entitled to the increase in home equity. All right. What if one person just says, I'm going to get a home equity loan and I'm going to buy a Ferrari? You blew. How are you just going to do that? So you want to make sure that you understand how that home equity portion works and how it's going to be divided, and if you're even going to agree to get one at all. So, and this can come up as a significant issue, and I've seen it. I've seen it with married couples and unmarried couples, where one party will get a home equity loan and, I don't know, send it to his mother or her mother. My sister's struggling and she needs to move out of her house because she's having marital issues. So I think we should get a home equity loan and help her out. Well, both people in that partnership don't benefit from that. And one may agree.